Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, it's a hot summer party, and instead of running to the store for a bag of ice or waiting hours for your old machine to churn out cubes, you flip a switch under your counter and fresh clear ice drops into the bin every 8 minutes, ready for cocktails or coolers without a single drop of water to drain or a messy hose to hook up. Sounds like chill mode unlocked, right? Well, today we're cooling off with the COTLIN Drainless Ice Maker freestanding under-counter model, and let me tell you, this compact ice wizard could turn your kitchen into a party-ready paradise without the hassle. If you're over slow, leaky machines or fridge freezer hunts, stick around. By the end, you'll be stocking up on drinks. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get frosty. First, let's break down the features that make the COTLIN Drainless a true ice hero. This isn't your bulky countertop clunker. It's designed for seamless under-counter install in a slim 19.5 inches wide, 16.5 deep, and 33 inches tall footprint, weighing just 45 pounds for easy maneuvering. The drainless design is the star. No plumbing required. It recirculates water automatically, pulling from a 3.5-liter internal tank you refill weekly for up to 40 pounds of ice a day. It spits out 9 clear bullet-shaped cubes per cycle, every 8 to 15 minutes, with adjustable size for small or large, perfect for beverages or bagged storage. Controls are a breeze with a touch panel for power, size, and clean modes, plus LED indicators for water full, ice full, or low levels, intuitive even in low light. The stainless steel build is sleek black or silver, with a reversible door for left or right swing, fitting standard 34-inch spaces. It runs on 110 volts, pulling 120 watts for quiet operation under 50 decibels, and includes a scoop and basket. Self-cleaning cycle takes 10 minutes with a vinegar rinse, and the freestanding option means no cabinet mods if you prefer. I set mine up under the sink in 10 minutes, filled the tank, and had my first batch in 15, cubes clear as glass, no cloudiness. Overall, it's hassle-free ice on demand that slots into your life like it was always there, blending convenience with a pro look. Now, onto the pros and cons, because Real Scoop helps you chill smart. On the pro side, the drainless recirculating system is genius. No leaks or installs, and that 3.5-liter tank yields 40 pounds daily without refills, saving trips to the store. Users go nuts for the fast cycles. 9 cubes every 8 minutes means party ready in under an hour, and the clear ice tastes pure, no off flavors. Compact size freeze counter space, quiet hum won't drown conversations, and the adjustable sizes fit any drink from highballs to blenders. At around $250, it's a bargain for under-counter ease, with easy scoop access and self-clean that keeps it fresh. Reviewers love the reversible door for tight kitchens and how it chills the bin to keep ice solid. Bottom line, it amps up entertaining, cuts waste, and feels like a luxury without the label. The cons, fairly flagged. $250 isn't pocket change for occasional users, though it's cheaper than built-ins long-term. The tank needs weekly top-ups for heavy use, and while fast, it pauses if full, manual empty required. A few noted the door seal softens after months in humid spots, and it's not portable once installed. For massive events over 40 pounds, it might lag, and the black model shows fingerprints more. No app connectivity for remote checks, and self-clean uses vinegar, adding a step. These are minor chills in a cool package. So, do I recommend the COTLIN Drainless Ice Maker? You bet, especially if you host often, hate store runs, or want under-counter ice without plumbing nightmares. The pros like endless supply and easy clean far outweigh the cons for home bars, families, or entertainers. It's a frosty friend that pays off in convenience. If that's your jam, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick shout out, if these cool finds get you buzzing, subscribe and turn on notifications for more kitchen chills. And click that affiliate link, it keeps the ice flowing at no extra cost to you. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the COTLIN Drainless through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this iced your interest, give it a like, share with a party planner pal, or subscribe for more. Stay cool.